Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and today I will show you how to enable the Talkback functionality. And to get started, you will want to open up Settings. So let's open that up. And in Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, tap on Talkback, and turn it on.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
Now, this is the most robotic Talkback ever. It sounds like it's straight out of Samsung, because Google's one sounds, in my opinion, better. I don't know if it's just the bass that it's coming off of it or something, but the voice is a little bit wonky here. But anyway, that is kind of how you turn it on. Now to use it, as you can see, you tap once to select an option, and then you need to double click on it to confirm it. So I'm gonna select close right here, double click, close, and there we go. And obviously, as you can hear, it reads everything that you have selected, just so you are aware of it. And if you have trouble seeing it, it basically, you can tap on something, it will start reading it. And yeah. And now additionally, if you're trying to navigate to the devices, you can see your finger doesn't really work, or the touch doesn't really work as it used to. So as an example, if you're trying to scroll up and down on lists that can be scrollable, you have to use 2 fingers now instead of 1, like so. Same goes for gestures if you have those enabled. And let's just go back and disable it. So yeah, I'm gonna now turn it off. Now additionally, you can also suspend it if you want to, I don't know, get it turned off for just, I don't know, some period of time quickly. You can hold volume up and volume down, which, let me show you. Let's say enable it. So right now, as you can hear, it is enabled.
Accessibility volume set to 20%.
Come on. Unless it's disabled here, but that will be not very convenient.
Music volume set to 70%.
Okay, so it looks like we cannot suspend it here for some reason. Now on older devices that was possibility to do so, but apparently here it's not. So if you want to, I don't know, have the normal usability of your device, you need to simply toggle it off, and from there everything just goes back to functioning normally. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.